What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. Back out here at the little Spillway today. First time I've been out here in a long time. Excited, because if you don't know anything about the little Spillway, I've caught monsters out of here before. I've caught multiple PBs out of here. Out here today to try to see if we can find them. I'm gonna get some bait. We'll get it out here into the main river channel, see if we can find them. Let's go. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is catch some bait out of this little Spillway part. It's got a little worm underneath the bobber. Throw it out right here in this little pool. There we go. There's one. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. All right, so on this first rig, I just got a piece of that cut bait, weightless. I'm gonna throw this out here. And on this one I have that live bait and little green sunfish underneath the bobber. I'm tossing out here more into the current. Hold on. It's a gar. Oh, that might be a catfish. Is that a catfish? I think this is a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. Let's go. Yes, sir. First fish of the day on the weightless cut bait. Yes, sir. First fish of the day. Decent little channel catfish. I'm gonna let him go today though. Hopefully bring us some good luck to let the first one go. Let's go, baby. Oh, sorry, buddy. There he goes. Let's go. Got another one. Oh, he's swimming at me. Oh, it came off. That had to be a gar. Dang it. We got one. What is this? Something decent. A cat. Oh, this is a drum. For real, that's crazy. We got us a drum on the crankbait. First fish on the crankbait is just a little drum. That is crazy. Let's go though. He's just a little too small to keep. Because drum is delicious, or I would keep him too, but he's just a little small. So we're gonna get him back. Let's go, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate the bite. Let's go. I just tied this little crankbait on while I got that bait out there. Figure I might as well stay busy. Just throwing it right here in this little channel. River feeds in from down here, and then it gets bottlenecked into here. That's why I love this little spillway right here, because it gets shallow right here, so it has to bottleneck through here and then opens up into a nice big slack water area over there. So double whammy. Let's go. First fish on the crankbait. There's one. Right in front of this little log. Oh! What was that? Oh my God. Did y'all see that? And he broke me off too. All right, I had another crankbait, almost the same color. I'm gonna try that again. I doubt that he's dumb enough to bite again, but I'm gonna try right here in front of this little log again. We got one right here in the current. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry, buddy. Let's go. Fish number 3. Second one on the crankbait. And we got one on the cut bait over here going. Fish number 3, white bass. Decent one, actually. We got to get him back, though, so I can deal with this one, because something is on here. Oh, it came off. Had to be a gar. Dang it. These gars all over this cut bait, but they just can't get hooked. I'm going to keep an eye on those, but for now, while they're over here biting in this little channel, just kind of letting it work, letting the bait do what it does, is kind of let it drift down and work it back up the current a little bit. Another one right here. What is this? What is it? Oh, that's a tiny channel catfish. Are you serious? Look at that. Baby channel catfish on the crankbait right here. That's crazy. We got one on the live bait. What do we got here? Oh, it's a gar. Oh, are you kidding me? We're on. What we got here? Another catfish. This one's a little bigger, it looked like. Yes, sir. Let's go. Man, he was barely hooked too, skin hooked. That's crazy. A little bigger than the first one. Still not really big though, so we're gonna let him go. But let's go. That's fish number 4. Oh. We got one. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Another channel catfish. Let's go. Let's go, baby. They've all been about the same size. About 1.5 pounds or so. Come on, buddy, let it go. There we go. This might be the smallest one of the day, actually. I'll take it though. We're getting action. Let's go, baby. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day there. I'm gonna go ahead and try to climb up out of here before it gets too dark. Not too bad of an evening though. I wasn't able to catch a river monster, but I was able to catch quite a few fish this evening, so can't complain. Appreciate y'all tuning in tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.